Okay, today I'm going to use very quick ways to explain these long questions. Okay, this is the mx question for the solution of triangle. Okay, this question actually is quite long. Okay, so I'm trying to do it very fast. Okay, first have a look on this diagram. Obviously this is a triangle, and then he gives us two lengths. One is 18 centimeter for PQ, and for RQ will be 14 centimeter, and then we have one angle which is 25. Okay, so the diagram show a triangle PQR. Okay, part A, he asks us calculate the length of the side PR. Mean you have to find length PR. Okay, in order to find length PR, we have to understand one formula which I think is quite important in this chapter. That formula called, okay, C square will equal to A square plus B square minus 2A B and cos C. Okay, what is that? Okay, let's assume this is A, this is B, and this is C, and then this is angle C. Okay, when you got two sides and one angle on the between, means you can apply this formula. Okay, I repeat one more time. When you have one side, another side, and angle on between, okay, two sides and one angle on between, then you can use this formula to find the length C. Therefore, we just apply whatever here. Okay, so in order to find PR, so I straight away write here is PR square, okay, will equal to A square plus B square, so will be 18 square plus 14 square minus 2AB. Okay, so 18, 14, and cos C. What is cos C? Cos C here will be 25. Okay, so I just solve this equation. I can get, okay, so 18 square plus 14 square, you press calculator, you will get 520. Okay, minus 2 multiple 18 multiple 14 multiple cos 25, you will get 456.7752. okay, then your PR square, okay, 520 minus this, you will get 63.2248. Therefore PR will equal to the square move to this side, you just square root the answer lah. Square move to this side will become square root, so you square root 63.2248, you get 7.951 cm. Okay, means the length for PR will be 7.951, so I just mark down 7.951. okay, if for this length. Okay, normally part A you will have 2 to 3 marks, so just apply the formula. Okay, after that you want to do part B. Okay, what he say in part B is, okay, a quadrilateral PQRS is formed such that PR is the diagonal. Okay, what is the meaning by diagonal? Okay, diagonal is the things that he will help to cut the quadrilateral into the half. Okay, this one we call diagonal. We call it diagonal. So he will help cut the quadrilateral into the half. So let's say I connect this point to this point. Okay, this is also diagonal. Diagonal is going to cut the quadrilateral into a half. That one we call diagonal. So he say PR is the diagonal, means PR is the diagonal. Okay, so and then he say PSR will be 24, so means another angle PSR you will get 24, and PS have to be 15 centimeter. So calculate the possible value of PRS. Okay, now for this triangle, we only have 3 points. So in order to form the quadrilateral triangle, and in order to form the quadrilateral PQRS, we need to find out another point of S. Okay, since it says PR is a diagonal, so I know S point is somewhere here. Mean after I put the S point here, these 2 points connect to S, you will form a quadrilateral triangle. Okay, before we point out where is S, we need to fulfill 2 conditions here. Means PSR must be 24 angle, and the length for PS must be 15. Alright, so I just try to scratch the triangle. Okay, I just draw this one. Okay, let's see. This is P, this is R, this is Q, and here we got 25. Okay, so PS must be 15. So since the PS must be 15, so P to S, I assume it must be 15 centimeter. Okay, and then he said PSR must be 24. So I connect here to R, here have to be 24. Okay, and then actually we have another possible for PS, which is, okay, we draw another 15 centimeter here, and then we connect to the R, and here is 24. For this one, the length here will be 15. Okay, both also fulfill all the conditions here. PR is diagonal. Okay, you see PR is a diagonal, yes. And PSR is 24. PSR is 24. PSR is 24, yes. So, and then the last one is PS must be 15 centimeter. So, after that, you fulfill all the conditions. He asks you to calculate the possible value for PRS. Calculate the possible value for PRS. So actually, you will have 2 angles here. One is the acute angle, another one is the obtuse angle. Means one angle you will get is smaller than 90, another angle you will get is bigger than 90. Okay, so I'm trying to do it. Okay, since we got this one is 7.951. Okay, so here actually, okay, we call this one S1 and this one is S2. Okay, so we calculate for angle. Okay, we use size angle PRS. Okay, this is what they want, divided by, okay, opposite, this angle divide by the opposite length will be 15, will equal to, okay, size this angle divide by the opposite length. Size 24 divided by opposite length will be 7.951. Okay, this is the sine rule. You can use this rule to find angle or to find length. Very simple to use this rule. Just angle divide by opposite length, angle divide by opposite length, and must add the sign. Okay, so I just solve this equation. So size angle PRS, I will get size 24 divided by 7.951 and then multiple 15. Okay, so I just press the calculator to get this one. Okay, size 24 divided by 7.951 multiple 15. So actually I will get 0.7673. After that I want to calculate angle for PRS. Okay, so you just shift sign answer. When you shift sign answer, you will get angle 50.11 angle. Okay, after you got this angle, this is the angle for here. You got another angle which is, I mentioned, is obtuse angle, which is bigger than 90. So this is actually the angle for PRS1. So for another angle, what we call is PRS2, means PRS for this angle will be 180 minus 50.11. Okay, then you will got 129.89 angle. Yes. So if this question asks you find all the possible value, okay, after you got the first value, you want to find the second angle, you just use 180 minus the angle. Okay, so you will get 129.89 for the second angle. So for this one, this angle smaller than 90, this one in mathematics we call it acute angle. And for this one, the angle bigger than 90 and smaller than 180, we call this angle is obtuse angle. Okay? Okay. After that, the last part C. Okay? Part C, what they want is, by using the acute angle, means he want to use this angle, because this is the acute angle, he want to use the 50.11 angle. Okay? By using the acute PRS, means use the acute PRS, calculate the length of RS. Okay? He want to calculate the length of RS. So, okay, I just briefly draw out the things. Okay, so I draw the P, R, and S. P, R, and S. Okay, this one is Q here. So here we got 25, and this one, okay, we got the angle here will be 50.11, and this one will be 24, and here will be 7.951. This one will be 15. Okay. So he want to find length RS. So you want to find the length RF, you have to use this angle, divide the opposite, and then you can simply use another side. So in order to use sine rule, so we find this angle first. So you have to find what is the angle P here. Okay, so angle P will equal to 180 minus these two angles, because one triangle we got 180 minus 24 minus 50.11. After that, what answer we will have is, okay, we will get the angle 105.89. Okay, means 105.89 angle is here. So since we got this angle, okay, we can easily find RS. So using the sine rule I mentioned just now, so RS divided by the opposite angle, sine 105.89 will equal to, okay, you simply choose one side you like. Okay, I choose this side, will equal to 15 divide the sine 50.11. Okay, still remember this formula? This is the sine rule. Okay, for this sine rule, you can write the length on the top, or you want to write the sine angle on the top. It's okay one. But then the important part is, if you write the sine angle on the top, you have to make sure both also sine angle on the top. If you write the length on the top, you have to make sure both also is the length on the top. So after you solve this equation, you can get the length of RS is 18.80 cm. Very easy. You just use the calculator, 15 divided by sine 50.11, and then multiple sine 105.89. Okay, so when you've done this part, you only left the last part. The last part is very simple. Last part, he asks you to calculate the quadrilateral PQRS. Means you have to find the area for this one. So you just use this triangle plus this triangle. So I do a quick part. So PQRS will equal to triangle PRS plus the triangle PQR. Okay, for the triangle formula will be 1/2 and then A multiple B and then multiple sine C. Okay, this is the formula for area. So for this one, same with the cos rule, means, okay, we have the length we write down here is 18.80. So I've calculate the triangle PRS first. So equal to 2 side multiple angle on between. But then this is sine, so it's 1 over 2, 15 multiple 18 multiple sine 24. Then we will have means 2 side multiple sine angle on between. This is the formula to calculate for area. So it will be 15 multiple 18 multiple sine 24. Okay, divide by half, we got 4.91 cm square. Okay, for PRS, and then we calculate another PQR, area of triangle PQR, 1 over 2. Okay, 2 side plus the angle. So what is the length of PQ? Okay, so here will be 18, this one will be 14. Okay, so in order to find, we have 2 sides and 1 angle. So 1 over 2 multiple 18 multiple 14 and then multiple sine 25. 2 sides and angle in between. Okay, see 2 sides and angle in between and multiple 1 over 2. Then you can get the answer 18 multiple 14 multiple sine 25. Answer divided by 2. You will get 53.25 cm square. After that, you want to find PQR, area of PQRS, you just plus together both. 54.91 plus 53.25. Then you can get the answer is 54.91 plus 53.25. You can get 108.16. Okay, this is the methods to do this solution of triangle. Hope this video can help you. Thank you.